If there's one thing you could change about the education system, what would it be?
I know a lot of times we focus on the standards, we focus on the test scores. We say often that we want our kids to simply thrive. Less pencil and paper, more heart to heart.
Character is the plate. It's not something to the plate.
I think we expect kids to walk in and behave the way we want them to.
Life doesn't operate that way. That's not how life is.
Improve our relationships with each other, work towards the kids. I think you probably see a lot of improvement.
Giving time to breathe and to connect as human beings.
This is what human beings do, and this is how we act, and this is how we are. Then all the other things can fit on that plate.
When we've gone through the different storms in education, we can weather the storm.
I want to see a lot of empowering and empowerment in our classrooms.
I think education should be holistic.
One thing that I would change about the education system is for everyone to understand about hope. Hope is an anchor.